Hello, my beautiful friends. Today we're here in Svartedalen Nature Reserve, and as you've seen in the title, we're going to make chicken tandoori, and it's actually one of my favorite dishes, so it will be good. And I've got a bit of a surprise for you. It's a new Murica pan. It's a big monster, and you'll see it in a second. But let's get there. So let's look at the Murica pan. It's a 45 centimeter Murica pan. It's made for paella, but it will work perfectly for chicken tandoori too. It's a bit big for me today, obviously, but I'll have to try it. So let's see how it goes. So let's start cooking in a minute when the fire has burned out a bit. So I've got some onions, red onions, carrots and some red peppers, and we'll start by slicing them up in quite big chunks. So now that we've cut up the vegetables, it's time to look at the chicken. And of course we have some tandoori spices and rice, olive oil and yogurt. That's pretty much it. So I'll bring some water for the rice and then put on the Murica pan. That heat up for a moment, and then we'll put some olive oil in. Water is almost boiling, so start with the olive oil. Ooh. I will add some chicken flavored spices later on, but I'll take some black pepper and some salt right now. And the rice water is cooking, so I'll put that in as well. time to add the carrots. So I'll just put them on the side here. No big deal if something else falls in, but I'll wait a second with those. There you go. And it's time for the spice mix. Now it's time for the last thing. It's the yogurt. I've got Turkish yogurt here, so let's squeeze it out. Mix it up a bit. Letting that be there for a little while before mixing it up. Now it's ready. Just putting it here. So let's taste it, see if it's eatable. Really good. I'll of course leave the recipe in the description below, and I'll pack things up here, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!